The Meta Pixel ID is a unique 15 to 16-digit number that identifies your Meta Pixel, a snippet of code used to track website visitor actions for ad optimization and audience building. This is what the Meta Pixel code looks like: a small piece of JavaScript that needs your unique Pixel ID to function properly. It's essential for integrating the Pixel with third-party tools like Google Analytics and various e-commerce platforms such as Shopify and WooCommerce. Think of it as the key that unlocks your Pixel's data stream, enabling you to measure ad performance, create targeted audiences, and ultimately improve your return on ad spend. Without it, you can't effectively connect your website activity to your Meta ad campaigns. Knowing your Pixel ID ensures accurate data collection and avoids integration errors. Treat your Pixel ID with care and don't publicly share it. Finding your Meta Pixel ID is straightforward using Facebook Events Manager. First, go to business.facebook.com/events manager and log in with your Facebook account associated with your business manager. Then, select the correct data source, which is your Pixel, from the drop-down menu at the top left. If you're setting up your first Pixel, click Add under Data Sources to create one. Next, navigate to the Settings tab, indicated by a gear icon in the left sidebar. Under the Pixel Details section, you'll find your Pixel ID. This is a unique number like 1234567891235. Simply copy this number for use in your website code or integrations. Finally, use the Test Events tool to confirm your Pixel is working correctly. Keep in mind, you'll need admin or advertiser access to your business manager to access these settings.